It is time for our annual punishment of Toy Army Men, and this is for 4th of July 2017. Got a Toy Army Man fireworks popsicle stick base, and we're going to blow it up here in just a minute. To start it off, got a couple tanks here and a hailstorm vehicle, whatever that does, and they may or may not light the main fuse there for me. If not, I'll light that afterwards. Once the main fuse is lit one way or another, it's going to split off into two different sides here. On the left side, you got a little fountain that's going to light up this guard tower here. Underneath that tank, there's a couple big firecrackers all the way back to the Saturn missile there. On this side, you got a cone fountain. Firecracker on top is going to take out that tower. You got a guy barbecuing because, hey, I had an extra pig, so I figured why not. A couple firecrackers there. And I got some prisoners in there with a couple firecracker fountains. Kind of ran out of time, so I didn't paint this one, but I did bloody up the prisoners a little bit. So let's blow it up. Well, that vehicle really threw off my timing and set off the firecrackers way sooner than they should have, but still fun to watch. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy 4th.